Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, JanscrazyLife. So this journal is from Jaimes Crafty Life. Oh my god, it's so big. But she sent some friend mail, so I am going to open it. Oh look, I don't know what it is. Somewhere over the rainbow. Which y'all, I don't know if y'all know, but I'm obsessed. There's no place like home. These are so cute. Jan, thanks for hosting such a fun swap and all the tutorials you did to show us how to make the altar book. Love, Jamie. Aw, that's adorable. And then she made like this envelope. It's Wizard of Oz. So I'm obsessed with Wizard of Oz. Jamie, these are so cute. So thoughtful. I don't think you put enough string on here though. I think we need some more. It's so cute. Oh wait, there is more. There's more. Okay. Let's see what's in the envelope. Oh, look how pretty. So there is, oh look. Okay, hold on. It says, so it's this paper pad that is blue blossoms. And it says, take time to make sure, hold on, let me turn. Take time to make sure happy. Make sure you're happy. This made me think of you, the late night crafting and Google Hangouts. Thank you for all your fun and crafting and all the laughters. You are an amazing friend and so creative. Hugs, Jamie. P.S. I'm sorry you're still in paper jail. Oh, she's so sweet. Look. And I owe money for paper gel. Look how pretty this paper is. This is, I think, one of Dana's favorite paper pads, but I'm obsessed with 6x6s. Alright, I want that to stay in there. And then look. Oh. Okay, so, hey Nerdy, can you figure out what that noise? Can you turn down Elijah's, because I'm recording a video, his computer? Thank you. Alright, look at this. It says, it's not where you go, it's who you meet along the way. Aww. That's so cute. It's a journal card. And these are all going to go in my personal journal. Look, Jamie. This is so cute. Oh, wow. No wonder she's like, have you opened my package yet? And I'm like, no, I'm not opening until I record. Oh, Jamie, this is adorable. We're not in Kansas anymore. Oh, I love this, Jamie. This is very, very... I'm not gonna cry. I'm okay. I'm okay. So last night I was in the hospital all night with Matthew, and I feel bad because I was supposed to meet Rhonda, but I am just a little bit tired. And today is October 1st. I'm recording this, so... Alright. Hold on, I'm gonna put this here so y'all don't have to watch me for 20 minutes try to put that back in there. But look at this. Okay, beautiful fabric. Beautiful. So Jamie's closure is really different. And I've never seen anything like this. So look, she punched holes, then she tied the string around it. Jamie, that is so creative. Look. So it goes through and holds it. Oh, I love that. Oh, so she sent extra fabric to the person to make tags or whatever, and they can do whatever. Jamie did a good job on this. Amazing job. Okay, this is a big book. And see, when I seen this, the colors, and I hope that on my camera it picks up, the cover colors are so vibrant, and I didn't see this when you did it. Look how pretty this tag is. So she has a paper clip holding it. Let's look at this side. I'm going to turn the ringer off on my phone because I have a feeling it's going to ring. So she has this ribbon over to make a belly band. And this is the softest thing I've ever felt in my whole life. This tag is amazing. Let me put the paper clip Love how the paper clip matches everything. She's got a text spot with this. This paper is gorgeous. I love that it's not typical Halloween. So there's this side, and it flips up, and she has this sewn in, and I love that she made it into like a tag. She's got a journaling spot, and she stamped out a cat. And then she's got this page, and look how cute for you to journal, but there's also a ghost and this adorable like belly band tuck spot. And then it does have the pocket, and she made the glitter tag. This is really good. I know she has a pocket here. I know we're on Google Hangouts all the time, but, you know, it's different. Oh, wait, did I miss it? So she has a journaling card here, and then a journaling card here. It's spooky. And then there is, oh, look how neat this, wow, Jamie. So it's kind of like it's like ribbon, but she tied it to this envelope, and it's a belly band. Here's a tag, and you can write on it. But on the envelope, so she put it behind the envelope, sewed it, and then cut the top off to make, oh, there's another pocket behind it. I was like, did she do it? So there's journaling cards in the envelope, but back here, there is a pocket, or it's a tuck spot. How smart is that? That's a good idea. I'm gonna have to swipe that idea. All right, so I'm gonna put this here. So here she's got a big journaling spot. Love the cat. I love this paper. And in all of them, I think she left all the pockets open, and she's got a beautiful journaling card. So then there's this tuck spot. This is adorable. I love that you put it inside the paper. That's smart, so it doesn't go. I like that. So there is a side pocket over here. She's got so much sewing. And then look at these ghosts. How adorable. And there's a tag. So then there is, oh look. It's a little bitty booklet that says boo. And then there is, here, look at this little bitty journaling card out of glitter paper. But I think it's so cute. And there's a tuck there. Look how cute. So you could journal, but there's a tuck here. And then down here, oh look. I love her tags that she made. So much work went into this. It's so clean. The lines and the glitter. Yay, art glitter glue, right? There is another tuck spot here. I mean a pocket. The journaling card. And then there is here. Oh, it's so cute. So then there is, I love the washi on here. And then there's a little tuck here. And then look, it says, hope you get caught up in the web of fun. But look how pretty this is. I love this trim. So then there's a tuck spot here. I love this. I love how you cut it. And then over here is a belly band, and she put little notches in that one too, and it's sewn. Oh, did I miss the journaling card? There is one in there. I think I showed that one. And here is one. Oh, look at the eyes. And I gotta make some videos because Deb wanted to know how we do the flip outs. Jamie used washi tape on this one, but I will do a video for you, Deb, to show you how I did the full page ones. This is adorable, Jamie. I love this. So cute. And with the washi, they're called tip-ins. Look at that one. She inked up everything. There is a fabric pocket here that's sewed on, and Look at the tag and the journaling. And then there is this one. So cute. Look. It's like a journaling card, but it's a square little, that's adorable. And it's ghost theme if you guys haven't seen. So look how cute this is. And she made a little ghost tag to go inside of it. And it goes in this tuck, and there's a tuck up here that has an ephemera piece that says Boo. And then she has a side pocket. Look at the glitter card. So cute. Did I miss? I forget. I think I showed that one. So then there's this one. How cute. So then she's got a double side. Oh, this paper's amazing. And it's ghost. And then down here, she's got a double pocket. So there is, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, Jamie, how much time did it take to cut all that out? Wow. So there is a double pocket. So in here, love that paper. Looks like tires, like the traction of the tire. There is time to get your witch on. So cute. Amazing. Look at all the cats. It goes, when black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours on Halloween. Eyes, look at this. This is adorable. And look at all these cut aparts. Aww. So cute. So then there is a side tuck. Let me stick that back in there. Amazing. And there is one right here. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers, 'tis near Halloween. So cute. Adorable. I love, oh, this is amazing. I love this, Jamie. This is amazing. So there's a pocket here. It does flip out, so there's plenty of room to write, put something. And then it has this amazing picture down here. I mean, tuck with the ghost. Adorable. I love this. I love how you made your tags so different. So good. Look at this. The glitter. And it says Booyah. That's so cute. Booyah. That's cute. I think that's my favorite. I know yours is Creep It Real. That one is cute. Oh. So she's got like, oh, this is genius. So here's a tag, and she's got it with these amazing gold foil. This is so good. This is amazing and so creative, Jamie. Look how cute this is, guys. You put a photo or whatever. And then she's got a tuck spot down here. Plenty of room to journal on this paper. And did I miss the journaling card? Oh, look how pretty that one is. Yes, I can absolutely drive a stick. That one's cute. Alright, so then there is this one. So everyone has a pocket, and every pocket has a journaling card. How good is that? October 31st. Aww. And then look. It says trick or treats, but look how cool this is. So it has like this tool behind it, and it has spiders that are glittery, and then she put this glitter paper, which are tuck spots. So, okay, hold on. So see how you can tuck stuff in there, but you can also tuck stuff over here. But look at this pocket though. So, how creative is this? So, it is the fabric. It's a pocket. Oh, and then she sent, should we, who is this? Hold on. Let me see. Where is my book? I just had it. I was looking at it, and then I moved it off my desk because I was working on something. Let me see. I want to see who, what did I do with it? I don't know, but I don't want to open it because I think that we should leave it as a surprise for somebody. And I was trying to see who that somebody, oh, here's my book. It's right beside me. I want to see who is, and you would think I would remember by now, but I don't. And I'll have to look this up about 3,000 more times. My memory is not what it should be lately. Alright, Jamie's book goes to Amy Colorful Creations. Amy, should we look or should I leave it as a surprise? Amy. I think we'll leave it as a surprise. Jamie sent something really sweet in there. I can kind of feel. But how cool is this pocket? Stealing this idea. Right? So, this is a super creative idea. I love this. I'm totally stealing this. I'm probably going to put it in the middle, but I love that idea. Alright, so then she has it marked over here, and I love the closures. There's so many like original ideas in this. Love this Jamie. So if you guys aren't subscribed to Jamie, I will have all her information linked below. Amazing book. Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. And guys, I have the video up for the Christmas one. If you guys want to join, go check that out. Thanks for watching, guys.